Hi everyone, I am Pooja Roy, a certified nutritionist, and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we will be talking about the health benefits of tea, different types of tea, and how they can impact or help in our body. Let's talk about the health benefit of tea, the herbal teas and the green teas. Firstly, the white tea, the black teas, and the green teas, they are very rich in polyphenols. So that will help to reduce the inflammation in your body, and at the same time, it will help to reduce the free radicals from your body. Secondly, it also helps in the heart health. In some researches, it has shown that the herbal teas and the green teas specifically, it helps to lower the blood pressure, help in boosting your immunity. The antibacterial and the antiviral properties of the herbal tea, which contains turmeric, ginger, cumin, cinnamon, which help to boost your immunity, which is very good for the season transition as well. Along with that, this herbal tea and the green tea helps in enhancing your mental alertness, which has been seen specifically in the green teas for the students who are in college or the people who are in sports like shooting and all. They can drink green tea to increase their focus. The herbal teas helps in digestion as well. The herbal teas, which contains ginger, fennel, cumin in it, it will help in reducing the bloating, indigestion and gassiness in the body. So coming to the next point, that why tea is harmful. Too much of caffeine, if it's there in your body, which comes from 3 to 4 cups of tea per day, that can cause harm. Like it will increase the acidity in your body, indigestion, anxiety, poor sleep will impact as well. At the same time, irregular heart rate. Secondly, as you know that in India we consume tea with milk and sugar. So when the Indian chai is prepared, too much of sugar and milk, that will cause acidity. At the same time, that will cause you weight gain and insulin resistance. Thirdly, as we know that people tend to have tea first thing in the morning, which is absolutely not good, because if you are having tea first thing in the morning, it will impact in your stomach lining and will get acidity, and it's not at all recommended. So drink a glass of warm water first and then have your cup of tea. Fourthly, iron absorption issue is there. Tea contains tannin. Tannin will interfere with iron absorption from the food, so do not have the food and tea together. So some healthy tea habits are: firstly, do not have tea first thing in the morning. Secondly, do not have tea with any of the meals. At least 1 or 2 cups of tea in a day is generally good for people and beneficial too. Drink green tea, white teas and herbal teas, which contains turmeric, tulsis, ginger, which will give you the immunity boosting property as well. Reduce the consumption of milk and sugar tea, because that will lead to weight gain and acidity as well. That is all for today's video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do comment in this video what is your best and favorite herbal tea. And do subscribe to my channel to get more healthy and easy practical tips every week.